Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Rhino USA Tire Plug Repair Kit 86 piece. This kit contains everything you need to easily repair a punctured tire. I've taken everything out of the box and want to show you what you get inside the box. I really like these instructions that have pictures. Now for me, the ultimate goal of this tire repair kit is I don't want to call a tow service. This repair kit is going to contain everything that I need to pretty much repair a flat on site, especially if it's just a nail or a screw in my tire. The kit is going to contain pretty much everything you need, and as you can see, you have an ample supply of plugs. Here's a closer look at the heavy-duty T-handle insertion tool. Here's a closer look at the heavy-duty T-handle spiral probe. These tools all seem to be very high quality. It's not often that I have a flat tire. However, this kit will give me a peace of mind for those times when I do. If you are thinking about purchasing this Rhino kit, I hope you found my video helpful.